When should you use beard oil versus beard butter? What's going on, guys? My name is Jeremy and I am the owner of Forged Beard Co. And today I'm going to talk to you guys about the key differences between beard oil and beard butter and when you should use them. All right, here we go. Beard oil's main function is to moisturize the skin under your beard so you don't get dry, itchy, embarrassing flakes all over your shirt. It's also going to hydrate and strengthen the hair follicles, repair damaged hair, and all sorts of good benefits like that. It is without a doubt the beardsman's key beard product. If you are new to beard care and you get asked one thing to get, I would say get beard oil. It's going to help you tremendously. Now, when should you use beard oil? Most people are going to use it in the morning. Some people like to use it at night. No matter what, use it every day. Your skin under your beard does not produce a lot of sebum or the natural oils that your body produces. That is why we get dry and itchy, all right? Beard oil is solving that problem. Use this every day. I would say start off in the morning. Rinse your beard, get the skin under, get everything a little bit wet. Apply your beard oil. Make sure you're massaging it into the skin really well. Run your comb through, get out the tangles, and you're good to go. All right? Now, again, you can use this in the morning or at night. Regardless, if you shower in the morning or night, use it after your shower as well. All right? That is a brief insight into beard oil. Now, on to beard butter. What is it? Beard butter is just what it sounds like, all right? It is a buttery feeling type product that is smooth, creamy, and what it's going to do is nourish and condition your beard hair, all right? Beard oil is mainly for the skin, but beard butter is what's going to really help keep the beard itself healthy, soft, and nourished. It's also going to, similar to beard oil, it's going to offer a lot of repairing benefits and things of that sort to the beard hair, all right? Now, when should you use beard butter? If you want to use it at the same time as your beard oil, you're going to use it after. About a couple minutes after you apply your beard oil, go ahead and get you a dollop of beard butter. You're going to work it into your hands and it should melt nice and easy, and you're just going to work it through. Don't rub it into the skin like you would your beard oil. You're just going to coat it nice and on top. Love it all through your beard, okay? A lot of people love to use beard butter at night. This is Revere's Night Ops. This is our nighttime blend. You can obviously wear this any time of day you wish, but we created this specifically to have is just a nice, relaxing blend at night, and it is just that, okay? Benefits of putting beard butter on before bed or at nighttime, it's just gonna soak into that beard as you sleep, and when you wake up, you're gonna wake up to just a nice, soft, amazing beard. And you can rinse it out, get your day started, throw your beard oil in, and get the day going, all right? That is when and how you should use beard butter. All right, so when should you use beard oil and when should you use beard butter? Well, whenever you want, okay? That's what it really boils down to. In general, yes, you should be using beard oil every day. My recommendation is in the morning as you get your day started and or after the shower, okay? If you want to use beard butter in conjunction with your beard oil, you're going to put this on a couple minutes after. Even if you wear beard butter in the morning when you get your day started with your beard oil, and you also want to try putting it on at night before bed, you can do that. It's not going to damage your beard. You're not going to be harming anything, okay? Beard butter at night is an amazing beard hack that has wonderful benefits to it. I hope this video blessed you guys. If you want, you can head to forgedbeardco.com and you can check out all the different products and scents that we have, including Revere's Night Ops for that nighttime butter experience. And remember, in everything that you do, be kind, stay bearded, and forge excellence.